guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sitting down with you guys and doing a frequently asked question for the Fetch Rewards app. So I posted a video explaining Fetch Rewards back in May of 2018. So this is how long I've been using this app. I've been using this app for a long time. So this video has quite a lot of views and I get a lot of comments on this video even to today. I get new comments on this video practically every single day. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through some of the questions that I have received from my original Fetch Rewards video. So if you guys are still unsure on how to use Fetch Rewards, maybe I can, maybe some of these questions that I'm answering will help answer some of the questions you may have. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into it. And before I get into that, I just wanna thank Fetch Rewards for sponsoring today's video. So thank you so much. I am so humbled to work with an app that I absolutely love. Okay, so the first question I got is from Sophie, and she said, do you use the whole gift card amount in one transaction, or does it keep a running balance? How do you find your gift card when you're ready to shop after it is activated? So this is a great question. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into my Fetch Rewards app. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop into it. So if you want to see where your gift cards are after you have redeemed your gift cards, you want to go to the star icon right here and it says rewards. And then you also want to go up to my rewards and it's going to give you what rewards you have. So currently right now I have a $10 CVS gift card. So I still have a balance on this one. So then I'll go ahead, next time I'm in store, I can go ahead and use that. And anytime that you are done with a gift card, all you need to do is just mark that it's been used. So I already used this one as well. So if you don't want to get confused in your gift card library, just do used. Mark as used. So that's how you know what gift cards you have already used, and then it's going to go ahead and go into a different column and it's going to be in a black and white coloring, so you can see that you've already used this gift card. So the ones that you have not used are in color, and the ones that you have already used are in black and white. So it gives you that contrast to know what gift cards have balances, which ones you've used, and so forth. Another question comes from Karen Jones, and it's, can it be printed? Can the gift card be printed? Yes, you can go ahead and print the gift card. So let me go ahead and go into my emails, because I actually have an email folder separate for gift cards, because I have an email label called Christmas gift cards. And you'll actually get an email from Fetch Rewards anytime that you're ready to redeem a gift card. So I have an email from Fetch Rewards. It says, woohoo, your reward is in. So there is a URL that takes you straight to your gift card. And then what you can do from this point is you can go ahead and print the card from your phone, or you can go ahead and just, like I said, take a screenshot and then email the screenshot to yourself if you want to go ahead and print it. But there is a printed icon here, but then you can also print it from your desktop too, because the emails are then sent to your desktop email as well. So there is a way for you to actually physically print out your gift cards, which makes for a really convenient, because then you're able to gift the gift cards as well. So you can go ahead and print off the gift card and then put it in a card, and then you can go ahead and gift it to someone. Next question is, once you redeem points for the gift card, is there an expiration time for you to use the gift card? So that is going to be specific for each gift card. So each gift card has its own like terms and rules of their gift card. So you would have to read the terms and rules of whatever gift card that you are redeeming. Okay, so the next question comes from Kathy Morrison, and she said, I signed up with your referral code and I was wondering, do I have to print out my e-gift card for CVS, or do I just have them scan my phone? Always scan your phone. Well, you don't always, but you can always scan your phone with any gift card you are trying to redeem. You can always use your smartphone to just go ahead and save on that paper, not have to worry about printing it, and you can just scan right in store. And if there's ever an issue with like the barcode scanners at your stores, there's always a card number and like the PIN number for the gift card, so you can always have the employee just manually enter the gift card. Okay, so Jay Miller asked, do you get credit on all receipts? My concern is one of my shopping is at a warehouse club and store brand items. I rarely purchase brand name. Are you credited based on the brand? Also, is fetch for food items only or health, beauty, and wellness as well. So you can submit your physical receipt from any grocery retailer. So if you're only buying, like, say we're talking Costco and you get like a printed Costco receipt, you're gonna get points. But if you're not purchasing like the bonus brands that are on Fetch Rewards, so Fetch Rewards is partnered with over 247 different brands. So name brands like Huggies, Suave, also Dove, all sorts of different brands, Lipton, Pepsi, Maxwell House, Tropicana, Javalia. There's so many different brands. But if you're only purchasing the store brand, like the Kirkland brand, you're gonna get receipts bonus. You're going to get points for the receipt, but you're going to be getting more points if you're purchasing off of the bonus brands through Fetch Rewards. Okay, so I got another question asking, can I submit receipts after the 14 days are up? So Fetch Rewards has a limit of how many receipts you can upload within like a 14-day period. And basically once that period is up, you can go ahead and submit more receipts. So I actually have like a separate folder for receipts that I have not been able to submit. So I just go back to those like a week later and then I go ahead and submit them. But just remember that the receipts have a date of, I think it's like a 14-day window from when you purchase to when you can submit. So I think it's either 14 days or 21 days. I'll let you guys know right here what the date is. But you can always go back to your other receipts and just try to upload your receipts later. So the next question is, do your points expire? No, your points do not expire. I guess the only way that your points would expire is if Fetch Rewards was no longer around. So I always cash out every 25 points that I'm able to cash out. I always cash out at 25. Okay, so the next question is, hi, can you redeem to PayPal? No, you cannot convert your points into PayPal. However, you can opt for like a Visa or MasterCard gift card, and then you could, you know, use the gift card at other retailers, not like a specific retailer. Okay, so the next question is, what do you do with your points? Your points convert into gift cards, which convert into free stuff. Can it be at any store? So there's a wide variety of stores you can submit your receipts to. Recently, I actually submitted my receipt from Ulta Beauty, and I actually got points from my Ulta purchases. So anywhere that sells groceries, you could also do like Costco gas, you can do 7-Eleven, you can do a lot of like the Chevron gas stations, Circle K, anywhere that really sells groceries. So all you need to do is just scan the receipt, and if it says that it's not like a valid place, then it'll just go ahead and tell you. I know like Home Goods and what is the other one? Home Goods, Marshalls, you can't submit those receipts even though they do have groceries. You cannot do it through those two places. I hope you guys found this video helpful in terms of me answering the frequently asked questions in the comment section of my initial Fetch Rewards video. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'm gonna go ahead and have a link below for you guys to go ahead and sign up for Fetch Rewards on your own. You're gonna get a bonus 2,000 points when you use the code right here. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and a big thank you again to Fetch Rewards for working with me on today's video. Bye guys.